Let your smile that you be free can stretch across time and places. We all have gifts. Amen to God.